BNSF again. Cars. Man, I couldn't believe there was a Ferromex locomotive, was red and black, Ferromex SD70 ACE. Symbol of that train was BNSF ES44 AC. The train starts out in Willow Springs, Illinois, heads west on its way to the Santa Fe Junction Mix Yard in Kansas City, Kansas. Happened on Monday, Memorial Day, May 30th, 2022, by Tyler McCully's Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Here's the next video. Roll it.